Hello everyone, sorry I forgot to record, and now I'm going to show you how to bake the high poly, low poly and everything. Okay, here we have our high poly and our low poly, they're just in the same position. That's the low poly, I just pressed the smooth. So the light will be applied different, and that's our high poly. It's really important to have them both at the same position, and that's it. We just have to go here, select high poly, export selected, export it, and with the name you want. And do the same with the other. I recommend, for example, I call them cartoon column for the low poly, and the other is cartoon column dot high or slide high. So I know the difference between the two FBX. I save them in FBX mode. Okay, I save the scene and I import them in Substance Printer. I just went new, and that's the settings I have. You can put more resolution. It's important having this like this because we've done the UVs in the part 2, that's the part 3. And okay, and then we went here. Here you can see the UVs, we will make it smaller. And we go to big mesh maps, and we use here, we press here, and we select our high poly FBX. Then we press bake textures, and that's it. We'll have our baked things here. Then, next step, I just dragged and drop jade, and I got this jade. Well, I can do it again to show. And I like this material to make the cartoon stylized style that I'm trying to find, because I just need to go to this. This material makes the edge lighter. I think it used the occlusion map to do it, so that's cool. We don't like this base color. First of all, I had the colors written in my, wait, I'm not typing, column, okay. I had my idea, FFA77F, for example, FFA77F, that's the color I was looking for. I don't like paints. I like clouds, but more soft. And the rest of them are quite good. Just the edges, we can make them more orange. More. Like this. I like it. Okay, looks quite good, I guess. Okay. The thing is, we didn't want it. Like, we want these lines. So for the moment, the bottom and the top, it's perfect, I guess. If you want to apply, you can use like a like. If you want to make it dusty, you can just apply this. Go to this, to this and delete the base. So you just get the dirt part. You can change this. I would add it. I won't use this, but I can put like green, and looks like if it was under the water or something like that. That's really cool. I will just delete this. Control Z. Okay. Okay. They're really cool materials, so you can use whatever you like more. That's also really cool. Okay. We're going to apply the same material that was called jade here for the other color. What was the other color? FAE9CD. FAE9CD. Okay, that's really cool color. Okay, that's my workflow. It's not the best. I keep saying the same, so if you're professionals or whatever, you can tell me your tactics. I will put nearly full white for this. Okay. Dirt and dark spots. Dark spots, I don't like them too much, so I will delete them both. And okay, that's the thing. Now we have all this material in full of our column, so we'll press right click and add black mask. Now we don't have anything, but we're in a pencil. We can paint everything, or easier, we go to the left side, we press the tool polygon fill, and you just select, we get the polygons. So now it looks much better. But we're still wanting to put these color lines in the same. So what can we do? We just add again this, or it's easier, wait. We copy this one, well, we'll call it top down color, and this one I will call it hello. Okay, mid color. Well, we copy this, we paste this. How do I know which one is? I don't mind. I put it in top. I press black mask. I add black mask and I take a pencil. I select which kind of pencil do I want, because I could do it, but probably I prefer like super hard pencil, and I can just press shift to make perfect lines. Or maybe it's better. Wait. Okay, now the UVs are not done for this. We go to put 6, maybe 6.9. Just go this a bit more to the side, and we just go to the same spot. How many we want? We want 3. We just, well, that's my workflow, how I do it. Also, my column, I don't want it to be super perfect, so it's not important if we miss something. Fresh line is really good. Not perfect though, but it's okay. Next line. Okay, nice. And maybe more or less the same distance between them. A bit more. Yes. Too high. Like this is perfect. If you like painting, you can paint whatever you want in your column. Wait, no, too high. Still too high, but I guess it doesn't look too bad. It's fine. We'll make one more here. You have to make sure, oh well, it's the same color, so it doesn't matter if we touch there. Would be nice to change just a bit the color to don't make this transition look like boring or not too cool. And that's our result. We will change a bit the color. Maybe we can add some. How do you want it to look? You can also change this and make, I want gold lines. Maybe I will use this. Yeah, I think it looks quite good. Like gold lines here. If you wanted, you also can go change roughness, whatever. Okay, I love it. You could draw on it, you can add pencils. Wait, I'm going to close this to don't make a mess. Okay, I add. Oh my god. You could just. Oh my god, let me go up. Let me. Okay, you could just paint. With this, you can add a height, put it lower, and you just. It's like if you're sculpting on it, so everything looks better. I think that column is really cool. So we'll use this for several things. And that's everything. I hope the tutorial is nice, and maybe I will show how to implement it in Unity. If you want, I don't know, I will say it's not hard to do it, so maybe I show it. Thank you for everything, and goodbye. See ya.